friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new viewer on my channel, so firstly subscribe my channel and like the video. So today's video title is how to set custom wallpaper in Samsung. So let us start our video. Move on the setting icon first. After that you will see many options here. Scroll up some more, and here you will see wallpaper option. Click on the wallpaper first. After that you will see from gallery option. Click on the from gallery, and here you will see I want that one custom wallpaper to set. So zoom in and out according to you and scroll. I want that one set as wallpaper. After that click on the back option, and here you will see the result. Our custom wallpaper is set in this way in our mobile phone. So I hope this video helps you to set custom wallpaper in your mobile phone. So please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching our video. And if you want to get any information about any function of mobile phone or PC, so please comment us. Thank you so much for watching our video.